All right, here's the video for the fourth day of review. So our directions tell us to solve and to graph. What the graphing part means this time is we're graphing it on a number line. So do you remember this guy and this guy was an open dot? This guy and this guy were closed dots. And these two meant that it was basically coloring to the left, and these guys basically meant we were coloring to the right. Less than was to the left, greater than was to the right. So it could be open dot left or open dot right, closed dot left or closed dot right. All right, so let's work out this first one. We're going to divide by 2, cross out what's my answer. X is less than 5. On a number line, give me the 5, some neighbors, then what kind of a dot? Well, looking right here, what kind of a dot? That's an open dot, and it looks like this part of the arrow, like this looks like that arrow. Less than is to the left. Oh, I didn't mean to erase. I meant to bring that back. Okay, I meant to color to the left. All right, next question. -5, -5. Cross out what's my answer. 6 - 5 is 1. So on a number line, give me a 1 and some neighbors. Is it open or closed dot? Closed. Is it coloring left or coloring right? Well, this is greater than. It also looks like this part of the arrow. So we're going to color to the right. Now, these next two, the 3 is negative and the 12 is positive. The 3 is positive and the 12 is negative. One of these has a trick that we need to remember. And that is when this number is negative and you sing the silly song with a positive or negative, multiply or divide with a positive or negative, this sign is going to flip. It's going to become the opposite. It's going to reverse directions. So divide by -3, divide by -3. X is now less than -4. But on this guy, when I sing the song, I'm singing divide by +3. There is no flipping. It stays greater than. It happens to still be a -4, but it's greater than. So the first one would be open dot and color left. This guy would be closed dot and color right. I'm kind of running out of space, but you need the number lines when you actually do yours. All right, let's look at this guy. We need to distribute the 4 to each person. So I think I'll work it out over here where I have a little more space, and then I'll write my number line over there. So multiply, I get 8x. Multiply, I get 4. Now I have to sing the silly song twice. It's a 2-step equation. -4, -4. Subtracting 4 does not change anything. So I have 8x less than 16. Divide by 8, since it's positive, doesn't change anything. So I have x is less than 2. So I come over here, give me a 2, give me some neighbors. Less than is open dot to the left. Okay, same thing with this guy. I would subtract 8. I would divide by 3. Nothing changes here because I'm dividing by a positive person. Now these two I put on here because the x is on the wrong side. So my best advice is switch it right away. If you don't switch it, then I feel like you might get the right answer but the wrong picture. So I'm going to put x plus 2 on the left. Right now it's eating the x plus 2, so I have to reverse it so that it's still eating the x plus 2. And now -2, -2, x is greater than 2. It'll end up being open dot to the right. Let's flip these people around. Put x divided by 3 on the left side, the -7 there. Right now it's eating the -7, so I have to keep making it eat the -7 times by +3. So I'm not flipping it again. I flipped it once just to get everything on the correct side, but I'm not flipping it again. And cross out what's my answer. X is less than or equal to -21. Give me a -21. Give me some neighbors. And what kind of a dot? It's a closed dot. What direction? It's going to the left. Okay. These are the answers, so I'm not going to send you another worksheet. Another separate piece of paper with the answers, but these are the answers.